Welcome to One Level Living in North Arlington in the coveted neighborhood of Falls Station Condominiums.
With over 1,000 square feet in Arlington, this is a rare find where you actually have an open kitchen with granite countertops, upgraded appliances. The laundry is actually in the unit, and that is rare to find. And look at this open space. You have a combination of the living room, the dining room all together, yet still they can have their own functionality with the gas fireplace. And in addition to that, the sunroom. That is what someone will fall in love with. It is so rare to find. 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom with a dedicated parking right here in North Arlington. Natural light fills the entire unit, and in the primary suite you'll notice direct access to the shared bathroom and most of all to the sunroom, which is the perfect place to unwind at night or to start your new day. Reach out for a private tour today of a condo that truly has everything, especially the location. 2 blocks away from the East Falls Church Metro, Route 66, quick access to DC. This is a not miss.